Before discussing all specifications and features in details, let's open the box and check it out what is inside the box. Of course, this one is a main unit H96 Max X3 box. It looks very appealing and have rounded shape with colorful design. I personally very impressed with his rounded design. It's come with standard black in color. The top of the box itself is decorated with the model name and a distinctive colored print. Many comparable TV boxes are of more conventional model design, and the front we see a small LED screen. A fairly weighty case of small dimensions made of black plastic will easily fit into the design of modern premises. From the interfaces, there are USB 3.0 port, USB 2.0, RJ45, HDMI port, audio-video port, SPDIF port, DC supply and TF card. This 8K Android TV box comes with the high-performance CPU and GPU and have 4 GB RAM plus 32 GB ROM, making this TV box run faster and smoothly with excellent heat dissipation. Never worry about buffering and overheat while you are watching movies or playing games. Also, there are some accessories inside the box. Here you can find one remote control that makes very easy to control your Android box. Still, you are able to connect mouse and keyboard to box through USB port. One HDMI cable. One DC power supply. And user manual. Read it carefully before operating this Android box. Thanks to this small device, you will be able to see content from different streaming platforms in 4K or 8K resolution, including YouTube. It has Android 9.0 and adapts perfectly to your TV or projector, in addition to giving you the opportunity to have access to different apps thanks to the included remote controller. You can even play games from the Google Play Store, watch YouTube videos and much more. You can also browse any website using inbuilt browser, or you can download any browser that you want from Play Store. Make sure your Android box is connected to Wi-Fi network before accessing any website. Now I am connecting this wireless keyboard and mouse to this Android box. That makes very easy to operate this box and feels very comfort while accessing any of website. You can purchase this Android box from Banggood or go to description for more details. According to my opinion, this is one of the most eye-catching Android TV box in a market. You are able to connect any Bluetooth speaker to this Android box to improve the sound experience. It's very easy to pair with this Android box. Follow the same process that you do in your smartphone. Just open the Bluetooth in a setting and simply connect it. You will be able to watch films, YouTube and other apps in a very easy way. It also has the latest version of Android, so you will be able to use all the applications that are on that platform. You can also able to download any game that you want to play. Just go to Play Store, search it and download your desired game. At Android 9.0 OS raises the bar in performance and usability, compatibility with the latest Android applications and games that runs smoothly without any lagging or freezing. One of the most interesting things is that you can enjoy the Android experience on big screen by simply connecting this Android box to the projector. You can also connect any gaming console to Android box that bring you a more realistic gaming experience. This Android TV box is the perfect choice to create a home entertainment center. To do this, the console has full support for the internet via wireless Wi-Fi or via the Ethernet port. With this console, you can chat on social networks, browse sites and watch movies online. For more details go to description for link. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. See you soon in next